one of them we talked about is sending a prospecting message to a particular buyer, and it can be sent via email, via InMail, LinkedIn message as an example. Number two might be when you've connected to a brand new connection on LinkedIn that is your buyer. We create welcome messages that is unique and specific to that individual, or it could be a generic version that is that the individual doesn't know that it's not directed towards them. Another use case would be an out-of-office video message. Now, some of us aren't out of office all that often anymore as a direct result. However, you now have the ability to create out-of-office video messages, attach them to your out-of-office reply on email, and new feature on LinkedIn as well. And it's a phenomenal way when people are reaching out to you through LinkedIn messaging that you have an auto reply with a video link. And as you know, when you attach a video link on LinkedIn, guess what happens? It pulls in the thumbnail. So now you can engage. And when buyers are engaging you with messaging on LinkedIn, they've never seen this from a seller before. It is totally unique and different.